Stop scrolling for just 10 seconds. Roku just pushed an update that comes with something they have never included before in any previous version. And right now, the majority of Roku device owners have completely missed it. If you skip this update, you are walking past a reward that Roku has placed directly on your device. And it disappears if you don't act. Stay with me because by the end of this video, your Roku device is going to be doing things it wasn't doing this morning. I know what's going through your mind right now. It's just a routine software update. That's exactly what I assumed too. But Roku version 15.2 is different. Hidden inside this update, Roku has quietly added a reward that gives you trial access to their premium subscription channels, services that people pay for every single month. We are talking Discovery Plus, Apple TV, Starz, Crunchyroll, MGM Plus, Cinemax, AMC Plus, BritBox, Fox Nation, and the list goes on. All of it available to you with a 7-day trial on each service, just by updating your device properly. But here's the part most people get wrong. This update actually has 2 stages, and if you miss the second one, your device will not perform the way it should. So let me walk you through the exact process step by step right now. Pick up your Roku remote and follow along with me. Step 1. Open Settings from your Roku home screen, scroll up and select Settings. This method works on every Roku device: Roku TV, Roku Ultra, Roku Streambar, Roku Express, Roku Cube. The steps are identical across the entire Roku lineup. Step 2. Navigate to System. Inside Settings, scroll down and select System. Then look for Software Update and open it. Before we do anything else, take a look at the bottom right corner of this screen. You will see 2 pieces of information: the last software version date and the last update checked date. In my case, both are showing 2025, over a year ago. That means my device has been sitting on an outdated version this whole time without me knowing. If your dates look similar, you definitely need this update. Step 3. Run the update check. Select Software Update and on the next screen you will see your current software version. Now press Check Now. Your device will reach out to Roku's servers and scan for any newer version. Look at what just came up. My device is currently on version 14.5 and Roku version 15.2 is now available. That's a significant jump in versions. I'm going to select Update Now and let it run. Step 4. The update process. Your device will now begin downloading and installing the update. Depending on your internet connection, this will take between 5 and 10 minutes. This is not the time to rush. Sit back, have a cup of tea and let it do its job completely. Now here is the critical part that most people completely miss. And this is exactly why I mentioned this update has 2 stages. When the progress bar reaches 100%, your device will restart automatically. When it powers back on, the first thing you will notice is that the boot logo has changed. That's confirmation that stage 1 is complete. But stage 2 is happening right now in the background. Your apps are updating automatically. This is where most people make a mistake. They start pressing buttons on the remote and the moment the home screen appears, don't do that. If you interrupt the app update process, your installed apps will not function correctly. Just put the remote down, watch the screen and give the device a full minute or 2 to complete everything on its own. No button presses, no shortcuts. Both stages are now complete. The device is fully updated and running on version 15.2. Now let me show you what's actually waiting for you. Now open your Roku channel store and here it is. Roku is currently offering a 7-day trial period across all of their premium subscription services. Right here inside the channel store. This is not a small selection. The full lineup includes Discovery Plus, Apple TV, Starz, Crunchyroll, MGM Plus, Cinemax, AMC Plus, Fox Nation, All Reality, BritBox, Reels Plus, and many more channels on top of these. Every one of these normally require a paid monthly subscription. But after completing this update, Roku is giving you 7 days on each service to explore everything they offer. Movies, anime, sports documentaries, reality TV, award-winning originals, all of it sitting there waiting for you. If your Roku device is still on an older version, update it today. Follow both stages exactly as I showed you and then head straight to the channel store and see everything that's available to you right now. If this video saved you from missing out, do me one small favor. Hit subscribe right now. Every week I cover Roku tips, smart TV tutorials and streaming device guides that I don't want you to miss. And drop a comment below telling me which channel you are going to try first. Personally, I am starting with Crunchyroll. If you want to discover more Roku features that most users never find, I've got a video right here that's worth your time. See you in the next one.